Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today's video is something really different and interesting. So here I am to share the mask which is launched by L'Oreal with a heating cap, and this is amazing product which I have heard, and it is first time launched in India by L'Oreal or something like this is for the first time in India, and it is by L'Oreal. Yes, just to make sense. Okay, so here they claim that you'll get salon like hair and you can have nice spa and a lot of things using this cap. I hope you guys can see this. So this product has two steps. One is to apply the hair mask and second is to apply that heat cap, and you will get a nice salon like hair. That's what it is. So we are going to just try this, but before that, just go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, let's go into the video. Okay, so this is my hair before applying anything, and I hope you guys can see that my hair are literally so bad. You guys can see my hair not so good, and I am looking forward for this hair mask. But before that, I always believe that when you get a range of products and you use the products of same range, then it gives wonders to your hair, or any of the thing, it gives more effect. Okay, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I travel a lot, and when you travel, your hair sucks. Yes, literally. Like the weather changes, the dust, the water change and everything, like it affects your hair a lot. So yes. Okay, so I'll just explain you the steps. There are 5 steps for getting amazing salon like nourished hair. So first step is to wash your hair with shampoo. So for that I'll be using this complete range for extraordinary oil from L'Oreal Paris. Okay, so for shampoo I'll be using this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil shampoo. Then the step number 2 is to condition your hair, and for that we'll be using L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Condition. But since we are using hair mask, we have to skip this step. At damp hair, I'll be just applying this mask. So for mask also there are 2 steps. Step number 1 is to apply hair mask all over your hair and then just pin it up. Number 2 of hair mask is that wear that heating hair cap. This literally eases your process, and just wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you are just ready to go. It is very simple process. You have to just open that cap, wet your hair, like wash your hair with just water. That's it. Now you don't have to use any shampoo, conditioner or anything. You just have to wash it with water. After that, just apply this extraordinary oil serum, and it will make your hair look amazing. Okay, so the first step over here is to use this extraordinary oil shampoo. So I'll just take the shampoo and just wash my hair and get back to you. Okay guys, so I have washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so now what we have to do is just take this packet, and this packet is sealed from between, so there is something in above section and something in below section. So for step 1, we'll just cut the above section. I feel here it is a mask. We have to apply the mask and after that use the cap which is below. So I'll just open my hair. It is literally very much wet. I'll just damp it. I won't dry it completely, at least not now. Okay, so the first step over here is to apply the mask. I'll just cut it with scissor and take the mask. It's in orangish color. I'll just take everything on my palm. The quantity is very, very, very much. I feel 2 people can definitely use this. Like बहुत सारा quantity है. I don't know what will I do of this, but actually में है. You can see ये मैंने 50% भी नहीं लिया है, like 20%. You can see my whole hair will be done in this much amount. Okay, anyways. Actually I feel this is for long hair. So if you have short hair, definitely you can use twice. But if you have long hair, I think full one is enough for you. Good, I like the quantity as well. Smell is amazing. Now I'll just clip my hair. Okay. Now for step 2, I'll be cutting from below, from here. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it's a cap. It's a self-heating steam mask. Okay, so when you apply it, you will get heat inside automatically. It's a self-heating. So we have to just wear this way, and then you don't need to take steam externally. OMG, it is quite sticky. I can feel the heat as well. कुछ तो अलग है भाई है. Yes, so I'll be waiting for 5 minutes. Next 5 minutes I'll check my phone. You can see my hands are really greasy. I don't know camera is able to capture or not, but it is quite greasy. I'll just massage it for some time and wait for 5 minutes, and then just go and wash with water only, and then we'll check our hair and see the difference. Looking forward to have something amazing results. I can feel the heat यार, ये गरम कैसे हो रहा है? This is an interesting product. This is really a nice steam cap. Okay guys, so I have washed my hair with plain water, and I'll be just applying this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum on both of my sides of the hair, and then just dry it with a hair dryer, and we'll see. I can feel the softness on my hair, like seriously. Yes, this is a cool product, like something I loved it. And the smell is so superb. When you have product with good smell, automatically your mood gets refreshed. Okay, I'll get back to you after I dry my hair. Yo. Okay guys, so I can feel the softness in my hair, and it is amazing. Like, I don't know camera can capture it or not. I'll show you the hair from behind. It is literally nice and more manageable than before. So now you guys can just go and grab this from your nearest store, or you can buy from online as well. It is really amazing product. Just give it a try, and I am sure you won't regret buying or trying this product. It's a big thumbs up to this product. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and learned something new today. So do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye, see you in next video.